Wow! There are so many engines in here. And the first one competing now will be Monkey Mania Thomas. Who's going to compete against him? Aha! Let it be Paxton. And Tug of War Challenge is about to start. Wow! What a power! What a strength! Come on, Thomas! Pull it harder! You can do it! What a tight struggle we are witnessing! That's amazing! The first round is taken by Paxton. He seems to be extremely powerful. 0-1 in Paxton's favor. Let's see if Thomas can win it back in the second round. Yeah! Come on, Thomas! You're doing just great! Pull it! Not much is left! Yeah! And the score becomes 1-1. Good job, engines! Let's continue the show. And now, our next contenders are... Aha! Rebecca! And her opponent is... Let me see. Whom can I take? Oh, right! Donald! Excellent! Let's go! Bust my buffers! What a spectacular start! Look how confidently Donald is pulling Rebecca! Wow, that was really fast! Donald is getting his first point. Well, let's try it one more time. Wow, just look at that! Rebecca's leaving no chance for Donald. What a hot contest! So, again, the score becomes even. 1-1. Now, it's time to choose our next couple of contenders. And this will be Emily. And against her, I'm taking Skarloey. So, the engines are ready. Go ahead! Wow! Little Skarloey is managing to pull Emily to his side. Unbelievable! Skarloey is receiving his first point. Well, I don't know, perhaps in the second round, Emily will show some more strength. Wow, look what's happening! Emily is definitely set for the victory. And the checkered flag is up. It's hard to believe, but the score becomes even again. 1-1. All the engines did a great job today. They've demonstrated us a great railway show. Thank you, my friend, for watching this curious video. Subscribe, put your likes, share this video and tap on the bell. See you soon!